Thanks for joining me in my studio today. I'm working on this previously started painting, and it's an abstract landscape. As you can see, it's kind of impressionistic, at least at this point. I am feeling it's very busy and kind of blotchy, doesn't have enough big shapes in it, and my horizon line is at this point way too bright. So I'm liking some of the things that are happening in the sky, but overall it just needs to be a little bit more simplified and some big shapes. So let's get started. So this is a color of yellow ochre and cad orange that I've mixed up with some white. And I do want to leave a little bit of that orange to show. I'm using this scraper color shaper. It's called a color shaper scraper, and it's from Color Shapers. They're expensive, but they're silicone and they work really nice. They come in various sizes as well. Just blending this a little bit more. So I have some darks down here, but I am going to make some of them stronger. This is dioxazine purple. So mix up some green. So with a palette knife, you can put it on super thick, or you can use a scraper and thin that all down. It's a little bigger shape happening. And if you put some color someplace, be sure to put it another place. That's really important. Orange from the horizon line down to the front of the painting. I mixed more of a neutral tone with the phthalo blue and just a little bit of black in it. Fingers are always a good tool for blending. Just want to add a little bit of pink to bring some of this in as well. Now that's a little bit intensely bright, so I'm going to mix that down a bit by adding some green. Maybe also pushing it a bit more coral with the orange and adding a bit more white. Now a lot of this might not end up staying, and this is the beauty of building up layers, is that you get a lot of different bits of colors showing through, and that's what makes it really exciting in my mind. Again, I've got some neutral plum shade here, again just trying to pick up a little bit of this color. But without getting muddy. I'm going to take a woody and just try and make some marks into this in places. So in order to use a woody, it needs to be in dry places. Just adding a little bit of line, a little bit of contrast. A lot of this may get covered, so you can't see really what this is, but it's called a Woody Stabilo crayon, and they come in lots of colors. Again, scratching some marks back in. I use this silicone brush as well, just to remove some of the color. I think now is a good time to leave this and let it set up a little so I can come back in and make some adjustments and see where it goes, but it's definitely changed. So I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for the next video, and subscribe and like to my channel. That really helps me. Bye for now, guys.